Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is all about mobile dog grooming services in the US. Many of us consider our pets to be members of our family, and just like humans, they need to be pampered and taken care of. However, not all of us have the time or the expertise to groom our furry friends, which is why mobile dog grooming services have become increasingly popular over the years. In this video, we will discuss what mobile dog grooming is, its benefits, and which mobile dog groomers in the United States are the best. But before we go on, please press the subscribe button below this video. We want to provide you with the best content and advice for your four-legged friends, and your support helps us go a long way. So please go ahead and subscribe now. First, let's talk about what is mobile dog grooming. Mobile dog grooming is a service where a professional groomer comes to your home to groom your dog. Instead of having to take your dog to a grooming salon, the groomer brings all the necessary equipment and products to your doorstep. The groomer will then work on your dog in their specialized van, which is equipped with a tub, grooming table, and all the necessary tools to provide a full grooming experience. One of the most significant benefits of mobile dog grooming is convenience. You no longer have to worry about scheduling an appointment at a grooming salon, dropping off your dog, and then picking them up hours later. With mobile dog grooming, the groomer comes to you, so you can avoid the hassle of transportation and save time. Another advantage is that mobile dog groomers can provide personalized attention to your dog. In a grooming salon, your dog may have to wait their turn in a queue, but with mobile grooming, your dog is the only one being groomed at that time. This allows the groomer to focus entirely on your dog's individual needs and provide them with the attention they deserve. Finally, mobile dog grooming can also be less stressful for your dog. Many dogs become anxious or fearful when taken to a new place, such as a grooming salon. With mobile dog grooming, your dog is in a familiar environment, which can help to alleviate any stress or anxiety. Now, let's talk about the best mobile dog groomers in the USA. Aussie Pet Mobile. Founded in 1996, Aussie Pet Mobile has been providing mobile dog grooming services across the USA for over 25 years. Their groomers are trained professionals who use eco-friendly products and provide a full grooming service, including nail trimming, ear cleaning, and teeth brushing. Aussie Pet Mobile has over 200 franchise locations across the USA, making it one of the most extensive mobile dog grooming services in the country. K9 Resorts Daycare and Luxury Hotel. While primarily known for its doggy daycare and luxury hotel services, K9 Resorts also offers mobile dog grooming services. Their groomers are trained professionals who provide full grooming services, including bathing, nail trimming, and ear cleaning. What sets K9 Resorts apart is its emphasis on luxury and personalized attention. Each grooming appointment includes a spa-like experience, complete with aromatherapy, soothing music, and massage. PetSmart. PetSmart is a nationwide pet supply retailer that also offers mobile grooming services for dogs and cats. They have mobile grooming vans in many cities across the U.S., including New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. Their mobile grooming services include baths, haircuts, nail trims, and more. Petco. Petco is another major pet supply retailer that offers mobile grooming services. They have mobile grooming vans in many cities across the U.S., including Miami, Phoenix, Dallas, and San Francisco. Their mobile grooming services include baths, haircuts, and other grooming treatments. Alpha Grooming Pet Salon. Alpha Grooming Pet Salon Mobile Dog Grooming is a service that brings professional dog grooming services directly to pet owners' homes. The mobile grooming service typically includes a fully equipped mobile grooming van or trailer that is outfitted with all the necessary equipment and supplies needed to provide a complete grooming session for pets. A professional dog groomer will arrive at the pet owner's home at a scheduled time and provide services such as bathing, haircuts, nail trimming, ear cleaning, and teeth cleaning right in the comfort of the pet owner's driveway or curbside. It's important to note that the specific services and prices for Alpha Grooming Pet Salon mobile dog grooming may vary depending on the location and availability of the service. It's recommended to contact Alpha Grooming Pet Salon directly for more information about their mobile grooming services. Zoomin Grooming is another mobile pet grooming service that operates in several states across the USA. They also offer additional services such as flea and tick treatments and dish shedding treatments. Zoomin Grooming's mobile grooming units are specially equipped vans and trailers that are fully self-contained and climate-controlled. Their skilled groomers are trained to handle pets of all breeds and temperaments, and their state-of-the-art mobile grooming units are designed to provide a comfortable and stress-free environment for pets. Grooming also offers a variety of grooming packages and add-on services, allowing pet owners to customize their pet's grooming experience to their individual needs. Overall, Grooming's commitment to quality, professionalism, and personalized service makes them a top choice for pet owners looking for a mobile grooming service. These are just a few of the many top mobile dog groomers in the USA. It's always a good idea to do your research and read reviews before choosing a groomer for your furry friend. If you're a dog owner, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more pet-related content. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please help us reach our goal by subscribing today.